As with all Sage Accpac modules, the System Manager must be installed and configured first. Inventory control can be used standalone without the order entry or purchase order module. However, in this configuration, inventory tracks item costs and quantity information without updating accounts receivable or payables information. Purchase orders can be used without inventory. However, it still requires accounts payable to track vendor invoices. Using purchase orders without inventory control is especially helpful for companies who do not have inventory yet still desire to maintain a purchasing system. Purchase order automatically integrates with inventory control, order entry, and even accounts receivable if these modules are installed and activated. Order entry requires inventory control to be installed and activated, as well as accounts receivable to track customer invoices. In addition, order entry integrates with purchase orders if it is installed and activated for the database. This slide displays a visual representation of the integration of information between the modules. The solid lines between modules indicate that the module is required. For example, accounts payable must be installed and activated in order to use purchase orders. As you can see, to integrate the entire Operations Suite modules, there are 3 mandatory module integrations: accounts payable to purchase orders, accounts receivable to order entry, and inventory control to order entry. The bold dashed lines indicate that the integration between the modules is optional. However, it takes place if both modules are present. In addition, although purchase orders requires accounts payable does not require purchase orders. The thinner dashed lines indicate a soft integration. For example, inventory control accesses vendor information from accounts payable to display the vendor information on a receipt, but it is for informational purposes only. Likewise, purchase orders accesses sales order information from order entry to automatically generate purchase orders from back-ordered items. Now that you understand the integration, you need to plan the implementation. First of all, determine if this is a new installation or a conversion from another accounting system. If it is a conversion, Sage Accpac has several tools that can assist you with that implementation. If you are converting from Accpac Plus, the DOS-based accounting system of Accpac, there are built-in utilities that can convert your Accpac Plus data into Sage Accpac ERP. Those instructions are found in the user guide. If you are converting from another accounting system, you can import data once it is in the appropriate format. To obtain the correct import file format, it is best to add one record in the Sage Accpac function that you wish to import, and then export it to your file type preference, such as Excel or CSV. This displays the record in the format Sage Accpac requires. Before beginning your implementation, you should also determine if other vertical applications are needed. Some of these applications affect how you should proceed with the configuration of each module. You should also determine if the forms provided by Sage Accpac, such as order confirmations and invoices, fit your requirements. Although Sage Accpac provides several form types to choose from, you can either make changes to these formats or create new ones using Crystal reports. This chart describes the information contained in each of the 3 operations management modules and where you would go to enter them, such as tax information and general ledger accounts. As you can see, inventory control contains a significant amount of setup, of which most of these fields are required. How inventory control is established determines in many cases how the other applications function. Several accounts need to exist within your general ledger before you can begin configuring the inventory control module. As mentioned earlier, many of these accounts may already exist in your general ledger, however, many may be needed. The specifics of the accounts are discussed later, but this section describes where the accounts need to be assigned. Like inventory control, some general ledger accounts must be entered in purchase orders and order entry as well. We'll discuss specifics of these accounts in those sections. The last preparation step is to create security groups for the newly activated modules. Please consult the System Manager anytime recording for details on establishing security groups. Please proceed to inventory setup options.